Clearly, I am very pregnant. Okay, let's just start by saying that. We did it. I didn't get any first-degree burns. At this point, it doesn't matter if it's the color I want or not because those are the only 2 bottles I got.
Said I need a real one. Tired of the cake and the silicone. Said I need a real one. Forget perfection, I love bumpy roads. Said I need a real one.
First, we're gonna go over all of the supplies that we're gonna be using in today's video. The first, of course, is a pot. I have a spoon, a metal spoon, to mix the hair. We got some gloves. This is the wig that I'll be using. This is the company. It's called Ubeta. I think that's how you pronounce it. But I got it on Amazon like last year. And I wore it quite a while in its natural color, which is 613 Platinum Blonde. But I'm kind of like over it at this point. So that is the reason why I'm going to be coloring it in red. Y'all, red used to be my go-to color, okay? It just looks so good. So this wig is, let me see. This is a lace front. Oh, this is a lace front 613 wig. It's 13 by 4 and it's 150% in density. And it is 20 inches. It seems a little bit longer. I thought, you know, when I put it on, it looks more like a 22 inch. I got a wide tooth comb. Why? I don't know, but I think I'm gonna need it. So I got the wide tooth comb. I have some shampoo. I really don't know if I'm supposed to shampoo the hair afterwards. I think I am. I would imagine so, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I've never done the hot watercolor. I've never done the watercolor method. I don't think so. On a wig, I haven't done it before. So we have, of course, the hair color. These are the dyes. This is what we're going to be using. You guys can see that, but the brand is Kiss. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with this brand, the Temptation. So these are semi-permanent. The first color that I have is Intense Red, which is T550 level 5, and the second color I have is Crimson T553. This might be a little ghetto, it might be a little ratchet. I think it's innovative, I think it's resourceful. I am big. Clearly, I am very pregnant. Okay, let's just start by saying that. I'm big. I'm in my 3rd trimester. I'm 30 weeks. I'm tired, okay? So I was about to do this hair and I realized that I did not have like a big bucket or like a big container type thing to dip the hair in, to pour the hot water and pour the colors in and everything. So I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna have to go to the Dollar Tree or Walmart. It's too hot. I live in Florida. It's about 95 degrees outside. I'm tired. Just the thought of having to go through all that right now to go get a container or a bucket or something was just, it made me tired just thinking about it. So I'm looking around my room and I have this little container storage unit with like 3 drawers and it happened to be plastic. And I mean, you know, life gives you lemon, you make lemonade. I think that saying applies in this situation. I don't know. But I'm big and I'm tired and I'm pregnant and I'm not about to go drive all the way to the Dollar Tree. It's too hot. I'm too big. It's not going to work. So I'm going to use this. I mean, it's the perfect size. You feel me? It's the perfect size. It's going to do the job. The water is boiled, as you guys saw. So I'm about to pour it in here now. I'm praying to God that 1, I don't burn myself and end up at the hospital, or 2, this doesn't melt. I don't think it should, so just keep my fingers crossed. Y'all pray for me. I'm about to go get the water right now. I got 2 pots of water. Here's the first. Oh my God, that is hot. It'd be really, it'd be really funny if there was a hole in this. Actually, no, that wouldn't even be funny. That wouldn't be funny. That would not be funny. Okay. So far, so good. Y'all see that? All the videos that I saw, everyone, they made sure their water was like piping hot. So I'm assuming that is the key to this whole thing. Jesus mercy. Okay, we did it. I didn't get any first degree burns. It's time to add the dye in here. I don't think I'm supposed to let it cool off. If I am, then I guess I'm just about to mess this up real bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use both of these, the crimson and the intense red. I'm gonna pour the entire bottle of each one. So let's go. I'm just gonna take the top off like that. I'm gonna take the top off both. Oh my god, did they super glue this? Dear Jesus, hold on. Okay, I had to use my teeth for that one. Don't try that at home. All right, so I took the tops off. Now I'm just gonna pour them in. And don't mind me, I'm gonna be multitasking and recording for TikTok, so. Oh, there we go. It burned me. I'm getting every drop out, okay? And these were on clearance. They weren't on clearance. These were on sale at my local beauty supply store. They were two for $6. They had the Adore hair color as well. I used to use those. The only reason I picked this is because the Adore was 2 for $8. And I was being cheap, so yeah. I know they both work really well. So. Ooh, this one's a pretty red. I like this. See, the crimson is like that really pretty, bright, almost cherry red kind of, sort of, but not like Ariel red, if you feel me. And then the crimson for me is like that really nice, dark wine red, but it's not too dark. Gotta get every drop out, okay? Every last drop. Let me see if I can. Okay, let me not do that and burn myself. Alright. So, now, this is what it looks like. So now I'm about to mix it all up. And basically, I'm just gonna keep mixing until all of those little, ooh, that smells good. That smells really good. But I'm gonna keep on mixing until like I don't see any of these little, like this, until I don't see any more clumps. And I have a nice, smooth, even color. So I'll be back when I'm done mixing, and then we're gonna do the paper towel test that I've seen quite a few girls do. I mean, at this point, it doesn't matter if it's the color I want or not, because those are the only 2 bottles I got, so yeah. But I think this would be the perfect color. I think so. So now I'm gonna do the paper towel test. I think that's a pretty color. It's showing up really pink on camera right now, and I saw a few girls when they did their test, it came out like strawberry pink looking on the paper towel, but the hair came out like the perfect red. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dip this hair into this container and pray to the Lord up above that my lace does not get dyed or colored, because I'm gonna be really mad. I mean, like, dipping it a little bit. Oh my god. OMG. Yo, this is so pretty. Yes, okay. So far, I'm loving the color, y'all. I am loving the color so far. Shit. See, this is what I'm scared of, the lace. I do not want the lace to be red. So, I don't know how to avoid that. So I'm just gonna start praying. You know, I probably should have looked up how long this is supposed to sit in the buckets. That's what's happening right now. So, well, how am I gonna take it out? Jesus. Oh my gosh. This is what happens when you just, ow! This is what happens when you just do things on impulse. I don't know who told me that it's a good idea to reach in to boiling hot water with my hands. Yes, look at that. Oh my god. It's showing up like pink on camera. I don't like that because it's not. I don't know how long I'm supposed to leave it. I mean, it looks colored to me. So far, yeah, the lace is good. The lace is straight. I could tell. So.